This is Modvel 2-pack knee compression sleeves. Let's open the package. So for the material, I can feel that it's not soft. It's actually pretty tough and pretty thick. And here, it comes with a little rubber band. Two line of the rubber band. It actually holds the skin really well. And they got a lot of sizes, and this is the small. Let me pull. So for this side, you cannot pull too much. Let me see this side. For this size, it's alright. Actually, it says compression, but actually it's pretty flexible, you see. And for this one, it's the same. I think the stitches is pretty good. It doesn't look like it's going to lose really fast. So I can put this one onto my arm for let you see that how. So I put this one onto my arm, and I don't feel like there's compression, but it's just a little bit. And if you are kind of like very slim, you can buy the small. But if I just do it like this, yes you can, but it's kind of like a pretty tight. Okay, this is the small size, and all depends on how you feel like. But this is only my arm. Pretty comfortable. And let's check the inside. So the inside is alright. Nothing looks like it's very cheaply made. Pretty good overall. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.